California is currently battling devastating wildfires that have claimed at least 10 lives and destroyed thousands of properties. Investigators are still probing various potential causes of the fires. While lightning is a common cause of wildfires, it was quickly ruled out. Investigators are now focusing on whether the fires were intentionally set or caused by utility lines. Though there is no official confirmation of arson or utility involvement at this time, the California Public Utilities Commission is closely monitoring reports of potential fire incidents linked to power lines. Despite the winds easing, the fires continue to rage across dry terrain with minimal containment. Experts predict the fires will eventually burn out once they run out of fuel or when weather conditions change. The current fires bear similarities to past incidents such as the Thomas Fire, which was caused by power lines in.
At least 5 major fires have been burning across Los Angeles County. The scale and spread has stretched firefighting crews.
And now they're gone and they're lost. And I had so many things that are just lost forever. I know we're safe, but I don't understand.